Seniors, 8 strange signs your body needs vitamin B12, most ignored number 3. We have to understand that vitamin B12 is not just another supplement, it is the essential fuel for your myelin sheath, which is the protective coating around every single nerve in your body. As we age, our stomach acid naturally declines, making it nearly impossible for many seniors to extract this vitamin from their food. This creates a silent crisis of hidden starvation, where you might be eating well but your nerves are literally starving to death. We are going to dive into the strange, often ignored signs that your body is crying out for help before the damage becomes permanent. The first strange sign is a persistent tingling or electric shock sensation in your hands and feet. Most people brush this off as poor circulation or just getting older, but this is actually the sound of your nerves misfiring because their protective coating is wearing thin. Without enough B12, your nervous system starts to short circuit. If you feel pins and needles when you wake up or even while sitting still, your body is telling you that your nerve fibers are under attack and need immediate nutritional reinforcement to stay functional. This nerve damage, if left unchecked, can lead to a permanent loss of sensation, which is a major risk factor for falls and balance issues. When you can't feel the floor properly beneath your feet, your brain loses its GPS and your stability vanishes. This is why B12 is so critical for senior safety. By addressing the deficiency early, you are essentially rewiring your system and restoring the clear communication between your brain and your limbs. It is a fundamental step in maintaining your ability to walk with confidence and grace. The second sign is a strange, sudden change in your internal thermostat. Are you feeling cold when everyone else is comfortable? Or perhaps you're experiencing cold spots on your skin that don't seem to make sense. B12 is essential for the production of healthy red blood cells which carry oxygen to your extremities. When you are low, your blood count drops and your body struggles to maintain its core temperature. This biological chill is a loud signal that your blood is thinning out and your oxygen delivery system is failing. Healthy blood is the river of life for your body, and B12 is the master builder of that river. Without it, your red blood cells become large, misshapen, and inefficient, a condition known as megaloblastic anemia. This makes your heart work twice as hard to push that sluggish blood through your vessels, leading to unexplained fatigue and that persistent feeling of being run down. By restoring your levels, you are giving your blood the structural integrity it needs to fuel your muscles and keep you warm from the inside out. Now we reach the third sign, and this is the one most people ignore until it's far too late. Word hunting, or sudden brain fog. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why, or found yourself struggling to find a common word mid-sentence? While many fear this is a sign of a more serious cognitive decline, it is very often just a severe B12 deficiency. Your brain requires massive amounts of B12 to maintain its volume and neurotransmitter balance. When levels are low, your brain literally begins to shrink, slowing down your processing speed and making you feel like you're living in a haze. Ignoring this mental lag is a dangerous game. Your cognitive health is your most precious asset, and B12 is its primary guardian. Research shows that seniors with low B12 levels have a much higher rate of brain atrophy. However, the incredible news is that this type of fog is often reversible with the right approach. When you flood your system with the B12 it craves, the lights come back on, your memory sharpens, and that frustrating search for words begins to vanish. You aren't losing your mind, you might just be losing your nutrients. The fourth sign is a smooth, sore tongue. This might sound bizarre, but your tongue is one of the most metabolically active tissues in your body. When B12 is missing, the tiny bumps on your tongue, called papillae, start to disappear, leaving your tongue looking unusually smooth, red, and sometimes feeling quite painful or burning. This condition, known as glossitis, is a direct window into the state of your internal health. If your tongue looks different in the mirror, your body is giving you a visible warning that your cellular turnover has stalled. This change in your tongue can also lead to a distorted sense of taste, making your favorite food seem bland or even metallic. This often causes seniors to lose their appetite, further worsening the nutritional deficiency. It's a vicious cycle that can be broken simply by recognizing the sign and acting on it. Your tongue is like a check engine light for your entire digestive tract. When you restore your B12 levels, the papillae return, your taste buds wake up, and your appetite for life and food comes roaring back. Fifth on our list is visual disturbances, or unexplained blurred vision. Your optic nerve, which carries signals from your eyes to your brain, is highly sensitive to B12 levels. If you find that your vision is suddenly becoming fuzzy or you're seeing shadows that aren't there, it could be optic neuropathy caused by a deficiency. Because the nerve is being damaged by the lack of B12, the video feed to your brain is being interrupted. Many seniors go to the eye doctor looking for a new prescription when the real problem is happening deep within the nerve itself. Protecting your eyesight is about more than just lenses. It is about the neurological health of your visual pathways. When you provide your body with the B12 it needs, you are protecting the integrity of the optic nerve, ensuring that your vision stays as clear as possible. This is vital for your independence, allowing you to drive, read, and navigate your world with total clarity. Never assume that failing vision is just a part of aging. Always look at the underlying nutritional status of your nervous system. The sixth strange sign is yellowing skin or a slight jaundiced look in the whites of your eyes. When your body produces those large, fragile red blood cells we talked about earlier, they tend to break down much faster than normal. This rapid breakdown releases a substance called bilirubin, which gives your skin and eyes a pale, yellowish tint. It's not a liver issue in this case. It's a blood recycling issue. If you look in the mirror and notice a lack of healthy color or a sallow complexion, your red blood cells are likely in crisis. Restoring your B12 levels helps your bone marrow produce strong, properly shaped red blood cells that live their full lifespan. This naturally clears the excess bilirubin from your system and restores that healthy, youthful glow to your skin. You will find that you look more vibrant and feel more energetic almost immediately once your blood chemistry stabilizes. Your skin is a reflection of your internal environment, and a clear, bright complexion is a sign that your blood factory is back in peak production mode. Seventh is a sudden change in mood or personality. Are you feeling more anxious, irritable, or even depressed lately without a clear reason? B12 is a cofactor in the production of brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate your mood. When these happy chemicals aren't being produced correctly, your emotional resilience crumbles. Many seniors are told they are just grumpy or moody because of their age, but they are actually suffering from a chemical imbalance in the brain caused by a simple lack of vitamin B12. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as your physical health. When your mood is stable, you are more likely to stay active, social, and engaged with the world. By addressing a B12 deficiency, you are essentially leveling out your emotional landscape, making it easier to handle the ups and downs of daily life with a positive outlook. It is amazing how much better the world looks when your brain has the chemical support it needs to process joy and calm effectively. Finally, the eighth sign is breathlessness and dizziness during light activity. If walking to the mailbox or going up a few stairs leaves you huffing and puffing, your heart is likely struggling to circulate oxygen due to that B12-related anemia. You might also feel a head rush or a brief moment of vertigo when you stand up quickly. This is your body telling you that your oxygen reserves are critically low. It is a sign of internal suffocation at the cellular level, and it requires your immediate attention to prevent further strain on your heart. By fueling your body with B12, you are increasing your oxygen-carrying capacity, which directly translates to better stamina and a stronger heart. You will find that you can move more freely and do more of the things you love without feeling like you've run a marathon. This is the ultimate goal of senior health, having the energy and the capacity to live life to the fullest. Every breath you take becomes more efficient when your blood is rich with the oxygen-carrying power that B12 provides. Now, we have to talk about why seniors are so prone to this deficiency. It's a condition called atrophic gastritis, where the lining of the stomach thins out and produces less intrinsic factor, a special protein required to absorb B12 from food. This means that even if you eat plenty of meat, eggs, and dairy, your body simply cannot unlock the nutrients. It's like having a key that won't turn in the lock. This is why traditional advice often fails seniors. We have to look for ways to get around the digestive roadblock. This brings us to the absorption secret I promised you at the start of this video. To bypass a struggling digestive system, many experts now recommend sublingual B12 or liposomal B12. These forms are designed to be absorbed directly through the tissues under your tongue or through specialized fat cells that enter the bloodstream without needing stomach acid or intrinsic factor. This ensures that the B12 actually makes it into your system where it can begin the work of repairing your nerves and rebuilding your blood. It is a simple, effective workaround for the biological changes that come with age. When choosing a B12 supplement, look for methylcobalamin rather than cyanocobalamin. Methylcobalamin is the bioactive form that your body can use immediately without having to convert it first. It is more human-friendly and much more efficient for a senior's metabolism. By making this one specific choice, you are ensuring that your body gets the maximum benefit with the least amount of effort. You are working with your biology, not against it, and that is the secret to staying strong and sharp for the long haul. You have the power to influence your neurological destiny. By recognizing these 8 strange signs and taking proactive steps to restore your B12 levels, you are essentially reclaiming your brain and your body. You are proving that you don't have to accept decline as a normal part of getting older. Your nerves can heal, your blood can thrive, and your mind can stay as clear as a bell. It all starts with listening to the signals your body is sending you right now and giving it the specialized support it needs to flourish. I want you to feel the surge of energy that comes when your cells are finally well fed. I want you to experience the clarity of a mind that isn't trapped in a fog. This is what it feels like to live in a body that is supported by modern nutritional science. You have worked hard to reach this stage of life, and you deserve to enjoy it with every bit of your vitality intact. Don't let a simple vitamin deficiency steal your joy or your independence. Take charge of your health today and see how quickly your body responds to the right care. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into senior health and the hidden power of vitamin B12. It is an honor to share these life-changing insights with you and to help you navigate the complexities of aging with confidence and intelligence. If you found this information valuable and you want to keep receiving the most efficient, up-to-date health tips specifically designed for your golden years, please subscribe to the channel and join our community of proactive seniors. We are here to support each other in living long, strong, and completely on our own terms. I look forward to seeing your progress and seeing you in our next video. Make sure you subscribe and stay vibrant.